Hi, Lindsay here. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell up top for those notifications.
So I'm going to be preparing these thick cut pork chops today. I'm going to throw them on the grill. I'm going to start seasoning. I'm going to start off with my basic seasonings. I always typically use salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. They're like a must in my house. And when I grill stuff, I like to use the McCormick Grill Mates. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on all of these thick pork chops. So I've already seasoned the other side of the pork. I'm just going to show you guys. I have my Himalayan pink salt. I sprinkled that all over my pork chops. Then I got my ground black pepper and I did the same. Basically, you're going to do this with all of your seasonings that I took out. There we go. Onion powder. Garlic powder. I love garlic powder. Yum, they're smelling good. And then the last step is the Grill Mates. I love to use this on anything I'm grilling. I also have the steak seasoning too. Look at that. So nice. And who doesn't like anything roasted garlic and herb? Like, are you even living? If you don't, like, who are you? Yum. So now that I have my pork chop seasoning all complete, I'm going to let these sit and marinate probably for at least 30 minutes before I throw them on my grill. I'm going to start letting the grill preheat and prep the rest of my sides. And for my sides today, we're keeping it so simple. Born and raised in the South, love me some mac and cheese and beans. So we're going to just have this for a side with our grilled pork chops. Nothing special tonight, but I'll show you how I grill my chops. Say hi, honey. Say hi. We're in the backyard. We're going to do some grilling. Say subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My mom's cooking is awesome. So we have some pork chops right here. We've already marinated and we have our grill heating up. I'm about to put them on. Look at that. It's beautiful. So good. Grill's ready. I love that sound. There we have it. Already smells so good and they've already been on for a few seconds. I'm going to close the lid so the heat doesn't escape. So I flipped them all over. They have those nice beautiful grill marks. We'll just continue to let them cook until they're up. Looking good. Look at those juices.